Hi everybody, it's news and notes for the week. Hope you're doing great. I'm super excited to start to see the plans take shape, and I commit to you that I will get all of the grading up to date within the next 24 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to Blackboard just to show you a couple things I want you to notice. And if you have any issues, you can reach out to me on the Padlet. You can reach out to me through email. You can set up a phone call, and I'm happy to do that anytime. I am just so honored to be working with you guys this summer. I am impressed with the experience that you've all brought to the class and your work, which has really been stellar. So thank you for that. Okay, so Module 6, here you're going to go ahead and read through the outcomes. Here's the required readings for the week. You're going to be introduced to John Spencer, who, if you don't know him, he's amazing. We've got some podcasts with him, and then, of course, the textbooks readings. There's a couple interesting things here in the supplemental readings. The 3-minute walkthrough is a great strategy. Many of you have talked about it. We've got our discussion board, and then you're going to turn in the third part of your school improvement plan and get feedback from me so that you can take that feedback and you can put it into your final plan. Remember, you receive 10 points for turning it in, and then you'll receive 100 points for the work at the end. I'm going to jump ahead over here to Module 8, which is where you're going to see, this is where you're going to submit. So here's some directions about the submission. Here's the actual school improvement action plan. Here's the course evaluation. You're welcome to start filling that out now if you'd like to, or you can wait until the end. So here, I'm just going to show you the rubric. It's right here. There we go. So what it does is it groups sections together. So introduction and vision, and it tells you specifically what you have to do to earn the points in each heading. Then you've got data, goals, and indicators, research base with resource page, actions and timelines, monitoring progress, challenges and peer review, and then writing mechanics. I think that the wording will seem very similar to what you've seen all term, and every effort has been made to be super specific. I also posted in announcements a sort of sample plan. Now, just to be clear, this is not a plan from this semester because, of course, we haven't turned those in, and there have been changes to the course between last semester and this semester. So it might be slightly different, but the categories are the same. If you're not sure about those categories, so please don't forget, here in Module 5 was where the template was located, and that's going to tell you absolutely what goes in the plan. It's right here. It tells you what module we discussed it, how many paragraphs it has to be, and then some questions or statements that are going to tell you what needs to be in each section. Please notice if it says table, I expect a table, not narrative. If it says paragraphs and charts and graphs, I would expect both. So those are the ones you need to be mostly aware of. Otherwise, it's written work. Every source needs to be cited in APA, and you will have a reference page at the end, but then the citations will be throughout each of the sections. All right, well, please remember that I do pray for you every single day, and I have loved reading your servant leadership posts and sort of your thinking about that issue, and so thank you for sharing that with me. I hope that you have a fantastic week, and I am here for you. Take care.